Welcome back to Joe and Di's Allotment channel. I'm Joe.
And I'm Di.
And Di's behind the camera. So what we're doing today is we're harvesting our gooseberry crop. We've got 4 gooseberry bushes. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 punnets. Sort of 8 or 9 punnets there already. So yeah, I mean there's only a short window to harvest, sort of 2 to 4 week period. And what we do is we harvest them and we'll show you in the coming weeks how we sort of store or use. Yeah, so we harvested near enough 6 kilograms of gooseberries. So whatever recipe you're making, the first step would be to top and towel the gooseberries, which simply means just taking off the little sort of top and the tail, basically. That's what it means. So it's a little growthy bit and a little tail at the bottom. So it's just a matter of removing those, and then give them a good wash. And then they're ready for sort of using whichever recipe you want to use them in. So another way we like to use some of our gooseberries is to make a Asian pickle made with gooseberries, traditional Asian pickle, which is enjoyed with curries. We've adapted it to our own liking really, so it's a bit different, but it's 250 grams of chopped gooseberries, half a red pepper finely chopped, 5 cloves of garlic crushed, and then we've got some spices and stuff to go with it. We've got half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of mustard, a teaspoon of ginger, and some masala, 1 teaspoon of masala. And you also add some 1 tablespoon of cider vinegar, need a little bit of olive oil for frying, and salt to taste. So what you do is you cook down the gooseberries first for about 10 minutes in a little bit of water. Meanwhile you fry off the peppers and garlic and a little bit of olive oil, and then you just add everything else in, cook it up together for 10 to 15 minutes, let it cool down, put it into a jar, and that can go into the fridge once it's cooled down, and that lasts about a month in the fridge. So yeah, it's quite easy to make. So we'll get on and we'll cook the gooseberries and fry off as well now. So the garlic and the peppers nice and soft now and browned off a bit, and so is the gooseberries. I'll put those in there. Give those a mix together, and then we'll just add all the other ingredients now. Put the spices go in. Mustard, ginger, turmeric, and chili powder. That's all in. Tablespoon of cider vinegar goes in there, and just a little bit of salt. Give that all a stir up. Looks nice. This is only a small amount, you can make larger amounts if you want to. And it can also be frozen. I mean, if you don't want to use it straight away, you can make it into small batches and freeze it. So we cook that off for another sort of 10 minutes now. And then we'll pour that into a jar. So that's been cooking 7 to 10 minutes. It's gone nice and thick actually. So just spoon it into a pre-jet sterilised jar. Have a go, it's a lovely pickle. So try. Looks like piccalilli really, except they've got any cauliflower in it. So yeah. So there's about half a jar there, nice tangy sauce. You can make it in bigger batches if you want to. As I said, it can be frozen as well. I hope you ever go and make some yourself. It's a nice pickle to enjoy with curries. Lovely tangy. I think the gooseberries give it a lovely tangy flavour actually. So yeah, so enjoy that. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Leave us a comment if you ever go and try it yourself. Leave us a like. Or if you'd like to subscribe and follow our journey through the allotment year, where we'll be making sort of other things of our harvest as well, please subscribe at the button below, and happy gardening everybody. Have a good day.